Tutorial is Stop Windows Update for computer online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First step to stop Windows Update permanently or temporarily on your computer, Windows PC, is go to the search bar on the bottom left hand screen and type in run. Now basically you want to type in this here on the screen, services.msc, and click OK or enter on your keyboard. Now once this opened up and loaded, click somewhere and click W, and this will bring up the W, and scroll down until you see Windows Update. Right click and click Properties. Under Startup Type, under the General tab, click the drop down arrow and click Disabled and click Apply and then OK. And now you've successfully stopped the Windows Update on your computer, laptop, or PC completely for free.